wonder how you experience the world? It's all thanks to your amazing senses. Most of us learn about the classic five: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. But what if I told you there's much more to the story? Let's take a whirlwind tour of your sensory superpowers in just 5 minutes. First up, sight. Your eyes are like super sophisticated cameras. Light enters through your pupil, gets focused by the lens onto the retina, which is packed with millions of light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. Rods help you see in dim light, while cones are all about color and detail. These cells send signals through the optic nerve to your brain, which then builds the vibrant visual world you see around you. It's a complex process that happens in an instant. Next, let's listen. That's your sense of hearing. Sound waves travel through the air and are funneled into your ear canal, causing your eardrum to vibrate. These vibrations are amplified by tiny bones, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup hand, then sent to the cochlea. Inside this snail-shaped structure, tiny hair cells convert the vibrations into electrical signals. Your brain interprets these signals as everything from a whisper to a rock concert. It's also what helps you detect the direction a sound is coming from. Now, for smell and taste, the chemical senses, they're best friends. When you chew food, molecules are released and travel up to your nose. Your nose has millions of olfactory receptors that detect these molecules. At the same time, your tongue's taste buds are picking up on 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and the savory flavor called umami. Your brain combines the information from both your nose and tongue to create the full, rich flavor experience of your food. That's why food tastes so bland when you have a stuffy nose. And then there's touch. It's not just one sense, but a whole collection handled by nerve endings all over your skin. You can feel pressure, vibration, texture, pain, and temperature. Some areas, like your fingertips and lips, are packed with more receptors, making them extra sensitive. This sense is crucial for everything from telling if your coffee is too hot to giving a comforting hug. But wait, there's more. Scientists argue we have many other senses. Ever feel dizzy? That's your vestibular system, or your sense of balance, located in your inner ear. It tells your brain about your body's motion and orientation in space. What about knowing where your hand is without looking? That's proprioception, your body awareness sense. It's how you can touch your nose with your eyes closed. We also have thermoception, the sense of heat and cold, and nociception, the sense of pain, which warns us of danger. So, from seeing a beautiful sunset to feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, your senses are constantly working, gathering information, and shaping your reality. They are the intricate, incredible systems that connect you to the world and make you, you. It's a non-stop sensory symphony, and you're the conductor. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick dives into the amazing world of science. See you next time.